Walter the tree.
Walter the tree started smoking.
So people told him to start revoking.
No. Come on.
Blurry vision and bad breath.
Were signs of early death.
Walter ended his smoking. Water your trees, don't burn them.
Brighter days.
In fields of green where choices bloom. I chose a path escaping the gloom.
No smoky haze to cloud my way.
I greet the dawn with a brighter day.
With violent health, defying doom, in every breath my spirit bloom. Don't smoke, escape the gloom. Bob stops chewing. Bob quit his job, making him blue.
He stayed at home to silently chew.
Snuffs made him have mood swings.
Breaking people's heartstrings. Bob knew and let go and grew.
Don't smoke or you'll fall into addiction.
The mindful caterpillar.
Violet wanted to sell me nicotine, but I don't want it to be a routine.
Preventing the days of my life from leaving.
Because O2 is the only thing I'm breathing.
I am doing this because I am just a teen.
Breathe fresh air.
Burnt toast.
Jack smokes outside of school. He thinks he looks super cool.
But he learned how bad it was.
So he stopped, just because.
Now he realized that he was a fool. Don't be a fool, quit today.
The smoking problem.
Jim doesn't like smoking.
With health, there is no joking.
It's addicted and so gross.
He hates it the most.
By not ducking, he's not choking.
Don't smoke or you'll choke.
Buddy the monkey. Buddy found his depression. He started vaping and grew an obsession.
but soon started getting aches.
And realized his mistakes.
He quit and started showing more expression.
Quit monkeying around and stop today.
Simon says,
Simon smokes until he chokes.
Anxiety fills his brain like smoke.
Simon becomes addicted to the affliction. He speaks about his conviction.
Simon gets help and never croaks.
Don't vape to save your life.
Sally chews.
Sally was gloomy about her life. She tried snus to get over strife.
Her friends told Sally that's nasty.
Chewing can make you angsty.
Quitting tobacco helped her live a better home life.
Yes!
Don't do tobacco products.
No joke.
There was a boy called the Lokes.
His friend gave him a smoke.
He tried it and got sick.
He thought it was a trick.
He learned smoking's no joke.
Smoking gets you sick.
Junior the bad kid.
Junior went to the bathroom to hit his vape.
He saw his shadow wearing a cape.
So now he's caught.
And then he got taught.
That vaping will put you in bad shape.
Nicotine is bad for you. Quit today.